Hey babes, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial and by the way, my husband's going to be filming in for me. Hope you guys like it.
Hello, welcome back to India Moore's YouTube channel. This is her husband, Callie5407, coming in doing her voiceover for her video. So, first thing we got is some NYX pads. No, that's not NYX pads. I am so sorry. That is Noxzema pads. Baby got to wipe down that thing on that forehead. Get that thing because it is distracting me. Okay, she put some little spray on there. That's some NYX something, another chemical. Blend that up. Put that on the face. You know, blend it. Make sure you get all around the nose and the cheeks. I don't know what that is either, but it was NYX. To get up under them eyeballs and them cheekbones and that chin. So we got a lot of chemicals now I think about it. You can put 2, 3, 4 chemicals on your face already. Okay, so now she hitting them eyebrows. Hitting them eyebrows up, darkening them up. Make sure, ladies, you don't have one eyebrow bigger than the other one. Because you're going to be looking like you're frozen and you're winking at somebody or something. You're going to look like The Rock back then in his wrestling days. Anyways, okay, yeah, she feeling it. Little bobblehead feeling it. Okay, yeah, okay, so blend up them eyebrows and make sure one eyebrow looks like the other one and they match. You don't want to have one higher than the other one. You don't have one lower than the other one. You don't want to put one too high and you look like a chica. Okay, so go ahead and put that, what is that? Concealer? I don't know what that is. Put that up under there. So, you know, line it up. Make sure them lines is edged up and crisp. Like a haircut. Okay. We got that, so blended. She blended it all the way down to the eyelids. Don't fucking force me to record
this.
Yo, stupid ass, that big ass Morley.
Do that. You know what, y'all? I'm sorry. I had to come back on here because he acting like he don't want to finish doing the voiceover. So I'm just going to continue myself from right now until he picks it back up. So right now I'm concealing the top of my brows. You know, of course you want to do to the other side what you did to the first side. Turn that shit off.
Oh.
Okay, you want to bring the concealer up. Then I'm going in with my NYX foundation. And then I mix 2 colors. That's what you see me doing on the mixing palette. And I'm applying it to my face, buffering it out. Then I'm applying my e.l.f. concealer underneath my eye because I do like a bright under eye. Then I'm blending that out. Then I'm going to bring the concealer above to my forehead and the middle of my nose to create a slimmer nose. Then I'm going to add a little bit more highlight to the inner corner of my eye just to add a little bit more brightness in the corner. And I used actually a lighter concealer than the first one to do that. Now I'm adding my black opal ebony foundation as a contour to my face. I like to use foundation as a contour and a powder instead of another concealer because concealer dries like really, really fast. Blend, blend, blend. Blend that shit. Okay, girl. Now I'm just taking that foundation from the ebony stick from Black Opal and I'm blending it on my nose. Blending it up into the brows so the brows can blend a little bit more in the front. Now I'm blending the bottom of my chin and my forehead and my nose area. Now I'm contouring with my setting powder.
You really, really love your cat.
Sorry.
Oh my goodness. You just want to interrupt. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Now I'm taking the pressed powder and I'm letting it bake before I do my eyeshadow. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm taking that light brown at the very top in the middle. Y'all, this is like an everyday look for me. Like, if I need to go somewhere and I need to get it done fast, quick, in a hurry because I got somewhere to go, like, this is my go-to look every time. So I'm just blending that out. Blend, blend, blend. And honestly, I like to build this color up, you guys, because I like my my eyeshadow on my eye to be a little smoky, even though it's a natural look. Now I'm gonna add a light burgundy by LA Colors to it, just to give it a more of a plum color, so it's not so brown. Adds a little red to it, softens it up a little bit so it's not super dark. And y'all, it's so funny because now he wants to grab the phone and finish the voiceover, which is freaking crazy to me. So you guys, I'm gonna let him finish his voice record because he getting on my nerves and I'm tired of it. He done ruined the whole video. Blend that color out, you guys. And here he comes.
With the eyelashes, okay. Get them eyelashes up. Make sure they're nice and right. Okay. Next step. What's the next step? Now we're going to get rid of that powder? Okay. Thank you. That forehead was distracting me. Blend that powder up. I don't know what was the point of leaving it on there that long. I guess it had to set in or something. Okay, you feeling yourself there. Okay. Blend that on up then. Okay, so now the eyebrow. What is that? It's a palette of something. Oh, that's for your cheeks. Okay. Okay, I get it. I knew you wasn't about to put another color on your eyelids. Okay, hit them cheeks up. Okay, now the eyebrows look like they're on fleek. You got the mascara. She put the powder on. Let that sit. Blend that on up. Okay, okay. So everything look good. So far, so good. I don't know what you listening to, but I guess you was feeling it. Cause your ass over there getting to it. What is that? NYX lip liner? I'm assuming. I don't think that's an eyebrow pencil, is it? Lip liner. Yes, okay. Hit up them lips. Ladies, when you do your lips with your lip liner or your lipstick or, you know, whatever you prefer, lip gloss, whatever, make sure you keep you a little tiny mirror with you. Because I hate when females have lipstick on their teeth and they just are smiling in their people's face and just cheesy everywhere they go and somebody like, you know, you got makeup on your teeth and they be looking like, damn. Even though they be like, thank you, they be embarrassed at the same time. Make sure you keep you a little mirror or something. You don't be a all in people's face. So good job so far getting that lip liner and I don't know what that is on your lips. Make sure they match the rest of your face. Don't have no purple lips and your whole face is a whole different color. I guess. You know, I don't know too much. Whatever. Okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. Make sure you get all the little finishing touches. Okay, I don't know what that was, but okay, that'll do it. Check it out. Blend that up, blend that up, blend that up, blend that up. Get up under that neck again. You already, what is that? No, don't mess the eyebrows up. That was perfect. Do not put nothing over that. Tripping. What you hitting that back of? Yeah, reach that back up. You messed them up to fix them. Jesus Christ. That was already perfect. Let's see, touching up that nose again. I guess that's the finishing spray, the finishing look. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, now. This is where y'all makeup artists make women look like a whole totally different person. You do the makeup, set all that up, and then you go do their hair. Make them look good, yeah. Okay, do them baby hairs. Swoop that up. Swoop that. Swoop it. There you go. Swoop. Get it right. Swoop that thing. Oh, baby, we got to fix that. Take that. Okay, good job. Take that out. Clip. Bam. Fix that fat. Can't even see it. Whew. She worked miracles. There we go. Finishing touches. Bam. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.